Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix Lenovo Touchpad not working. So what you need to do, let me show you how to do everything from scratch and the way I actually fixed the issue. So you go here to search at the bottom left, and then you just search up Touchpad settings, okay? As you can see right here, and then click here on open. Now what I want you to do, here you see touchpad sensitivity. I want you to click here on additional settings right here. And here under touchpad, make sure you click on enable. So it actually got disabled, so make sure you enable this and restore all the defaults, right? You can also click here on settings, right? And make sure everything is okay, because what the issue was, this is what the issue was. When I connected my mouse, it disabled the touchpad. So make sure this one is toggled off. This one should not be on, okay? And here you can make sure of the other settings as well. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.